Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today I'm super excited to show you the all-new Sonic the Hedgehog 30th anniversary diorama display. That is right, the wait is finally here, and this was sent over by Numskull and Just Geek. So if you guys wanted your very own, be sure to check out their link down below in the description. Now, in this episode here, we'll be unboxing it, taking a closer look at it, and seeing exactly what it's all about. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so check it out. So this here is our packaging. Now this looks really cool. So this here's our Sonic the Hedgehog 30th anniversary diorama display. And you can actually see, kind of gives you a little bit of peek. So you have Sonic the Hedgehog 30th anniversary. In the background, you do see some reminiscences of the previous games. You got SEGA Genesis, some Dreamcast games. And then as you kind of move about, you can see the front end here. So as you kind of rotate it around, just kind of showcase it in different angles. So other than that, pretty simple box. Let's open it up. All right, so that is it. Check it out, guys. This thing looks really cool. Now, first thought, I have to say this is actually quite large, a lot larger than I was expecting, and they did a great job in terms of the details go. Now, it didn't come with any paperwork, which is a bit of a bummer. I kind of wish they included something that says, hey, you know, this is a limited edition, or, you know, this is to commemorate Sonic the Hedgehog and 30 years of Sonic running. Now, obviously, this is based off of the SEGA Genesis version, showcasing Dr. Robotnik, as the original call it, with Sonic running about as he's being chased by this gigantic boulder. And it kind of showcases some of the first levels from the Sonic Genesis series. Now, other than that, it looks like it's made out of like a ABS plastic kind of feel. And it is hollow for the most part, but it is quite solid. Now, Robotnik is actually being held by this pillar right over here, and it kind of makes it look like as if it's actually floating or flying, which is really cool. Now, the details are quite spot on. There is some bit of a waves that I do see throughout the characters, but however, it's not too distracting. Now, Robotnik has a lot of cool details right here. So he looks like an acrylic glass piece here in his unit. And then he's got the controller where he's holding as he has this gigantic grin of a face with his cape flying in the air. Now, we do see this unique looking boulder with a high gloss finish. Then we have the metallic chain going throughout it. We have Sonic running about with his grin ready to take on Robotnik. And yeah, on the bottom here it does say that it's Numskull SEGA. Just says that this here's a batch number, and you have a few different screws kind of holding it all together. And that is that. So this here is definitely a great tabletop piece or a display piece for any room, and I would highly recommend it, honestly, if you're a Sonic the Hedgehog fan. Now, obviously, it being such a nice large piece, it definitely will make a great like centerpiece in any room. And yeah, there you guys have it. Now, if you guys had any questions about this Sonic the Hedgehog 30th anniversary diorama display, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.